Hello, my name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola, and today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of our 2021 Boston Whaler 350 Realm. We'll start at the transom. We've equipped this boat with triple 400 Mercury Verados in white. Stepping into the cockpit area, you will see a very large bench seat, which is folded out now. You can also tuck it away if you're wanting to fish the boat or just entertain back here. You will see a live well off to the portside transom. Up under us, we do have a 7.5K gas-powered Westerbeek genset and also a Seakeeper 3 on board. Moving forward a little bit, you will see we've equipped with an electric grill, a refrigerated box here, easy access for loading your drinks or just accessing them, with a nice flip-flop seat, depending on how you're using the boat. If you're just sitting here entertaining, also a sure shade up above. Notice off to the port side, you will see a dive door, also capability of a ladder, which stows right up under your bench seat. Moving forward, under the hardtop area, you'll see your passengers do have AC below for those hot summer days. Nice little prep station here with a sink close to the grill. The captain does have an easy access refrigerator right next to him. Up at the helm, you'll see we have not put any electronics on this particular boat, letting our customers have their preference of electronics. We've also equipped it with joystick piloting. Notice up above, we color matched our hardtop Abaco blue, and the hull sides on this boat are Abaco blue painted as well. You will see your Mercury gauges and also your Seakeeper module. Down below in the cabin, you will see sleeps 2. Those cushions on the port and starboard do come together, making a nice berth, comfortable for 2 for overnight. You have a TV down below and an enclosed head if you want to shower after a long day on the water. Walking forward down the port side, very spacious bow, armrests for all 3 passengers, nice teak table with a filler cushion, drops down, makes a very nice lounger, bringing it up if you want to entertain or dine up here. We also have a through the hole windlass. My name is Kit Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola. And remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.